If you'd like to learn an easy way to increase sales on your website, stick around for this tutorial where we teach you how to create a cross-sell campaign. Within your OptinMonster dashboard, select Slide-In Campaigns. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to use the festive template. We're going to write Cross-Sell Campaign as our title, choose the website you'd like it to load on, and start building. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is change my image. So I'm going to choose this image. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the countdown timer. I'm going to make this a dynamic countdown timer, which means that it changes for each website visitor. And I only want the offer to last 1 day. And I don't want to show days, so I'm going to switch it to only hours, minutes, and seconds. Next, we can click on the Styles tab, and I'm going to change the background color. Really quickly, I'm going to go to the Custom Colors and import my color profile for this website. And I can click back over there to Styles to change the background color. And this way I can do it in just a couple of clicks. Now I'm going to go to the text editor and I'm going to write, enjoy 25% off this diffuser when you purchase lavender oil. And this will make more sense in a second when you see the page that we're sharing this campaign on. Okay, and we're also going to change the text to this pink color. I don't need to change any of the opt-in fields, and I'm just going to change the style of the button as well as the text. Send my diffuser coupon. And I'm also going to change the background color to match our countdown timer, and this looks great. Okay, and we're also going to want to make sure that the hover looks better, and the action, I'm going to make sure that it goes to the success view, and in the success view, we're really quickly going to import the layout, and I'm going to delete the countdown timer, and I'm just going to say, check your email for your coupon. So going back to the opt-in view, I love the design. And we're going to now go to the display rules. And here is where you get the cross-selling action. We're going to select if the URL path contains, okay? And this will depend on the pages that you're wanting to show this cross promotion. Maybe you want to share this diffuser promotion for all of your oil pages, or you get the idea. If you're selling chips, you might want to be cross-selling salsa. If you're selling shoes, you might want to cross-sell socks. You get the idea. Something that's going to complement the product of the page that they're on, okay? And I'm also going to make sure that time on page is 5 seconds. Okay, so if the current URL path, if they're looking at the lavender oil product and they're on there for 5 seconds, then they'll see the opt-in. We're going to quickly connect to our email marketing service provider, such as Constant Contact. And then we'll go to Analytics. Remember, you can always use OptinMonster Analytics, which are thorough, excellent, and help you make data-driven decisions. Or you can also connect to your Google Analytics, which only takes a couple of clicks to set up. And then finally, we're going to toggle from pause to live, make sure to save. And here is how your cross-sell campaign would show up on your online store, blog, or website. Now, increasing sales is up to you. What will you be cross-selling on your website next?